it's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am so excited because I will be doing the long-awaited fall decorate with me slash fall home tour. I cannot wait to get all of my fall decor out. It's actually a little bit gray outside. It's about to rain, but that's okay because that kind of helps to set like the fall vibes in today's video. So you guys may realize that the lighting is not as bright, but that's okay. We're going to still decorate and get the fall vibes going. So if you guys haven't already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright y'all, so the first area that I'm going to tackle is the kitchen, and I started off by removing all of my old summer decor, so I got rid of that. And then I tried to figure out first like where I wanted to put certain things. I wasn't sure if I wanted to put floral in my kitchen area or not, but I decided to just stick to floral in the dining area, which you guys will see later. And for my kitchen island, I went for like a super simple like centerpiece for my island, and here I am just laying out some leaves that I got from Hobby Lobby. By the way, y'all, everything that I'm showing in this video, I showed exactly what each item was, where it was from, and how much each item cost in my previous home decor haul for the fall. So if you guys haven't already, I'll go ahead and link it down below so you guys can watch that video. So yeah, I'm just doing a super simple centerpiece. It's just a few leaf stems, and then I also placed like some rustic mini pumpkins in there. This took all of like 5 minutes or less to do, so it was such a super simple centerpiece, but it came out looking gorgeous, and you guys will see in a second. But I just love the whole rustic feel of this centerpiece. So that was all that I did for the kitchen because I wanted to keep the decor pretty simple. And now I am moving on to the dining area. So you guys will see that I did decide to do some floral, pretty much like my usual go-to decor for my kitchen table. However, right here I am realizing that I purchased two different like sizes, pretty much styles of floral. They're not the same. They look almost identical, y'all, but one is like a little bit shorter than the other. So I really had to finesse this floral arrangement for this video, but as soon as I got done recording, I went ahead and just got like the exact same ones because I could not handle like how lopsided it was. But I did make it work for today's video, and the easiest way to do so was just to fluff out all the flowers just to make it look fuller and to kind of make it all blend together, so that way you really can't tell like it's lopsided. But if you look hard enough, it is. Like one is definitely a little bit shorter than the other. But we got through it for today's video, and I love the colors of the floral arrangement. And then for my bowl, typically I'll do like some kind of faux fruit, but I wanted to do my potpourri because y'all, it makes my house smell so good, and I cannot resist pouring this into the bowl. So I actually poured in two types of potpourri. This first set of potpourri has like leaves, just all kinds of stuff, pine cones, these miniature pumpkins that are like blue and yellow, like super cute, and it smells amazing. So I went ahead and poured all that in the bowl first, and I also added this next set of potpourri, and this is just little miniature pumpkins, and these are like brown, yellow, orange. It's just really pretty, and it goes perfectly with the floral arrangement. So yeah, I went ahead and added a good amount of that as well. pretty much how my kitchen table looks. It's really simple, y'all. Like, my ideas, I feel like, are the most basic, foolproof way to decorate your house for fall. Like, anybody can do it. Anybody can add color and just some pumpkins and stuff throughout your house, and it just be super simple. So that's what this video is all about. And now that we are into the living room, of course, as you guys can tell, I'm getting rid of all of my spring decor and exchanging everything for new and improved fall pillows, fall throw blankets, a little faux flower arrangement for my my little coffee table, and that's about it. It's simple, it's easy, but it definitely does change the whole vibe of the living room and kitchen area for the fall. So next up we have our pumpkins. You guys know that I purchased not a ton of pumpkins, but quite a few, and I could not figure out how I wanted to lay these out or where I wanted to put them. But at the very last minute, I decided that these would be so cute, kind of placed around the fireplace. That's exactly what I did, and I was so happy I did, y'all, because when Valerie got home, she just got so excited to see the pumpkins, and now she's saying we need a sixth one. I only bought 5, but I guess I'll be going back to the store to get a sixth one because that's what she's requesting. But yeah, I just kept playing around with them, and I feel like with pumpkins you kind of have to just keep playing around with them and seeing what works best, like trying different just styles and layouts and things like that until it looks perfect, just the way you want for it to look. So that's what I kept doing, and I finally got it after a few tries. So I placed 3 pumpkins on one side of the fireplace and 2 pumpkins on the other, and I loved how it turned out. It's like one of my favorite areas now to look at. Last but not least, we have my bedroom, and here I didn't really do anything too drastic or too dramatic. I just, of course, first removed all of my spring summer decor, and then I swapped that floral arrangement out for like a faux do-it-yourself floral arrangement using those bouquets that I bought from Hobby Lobby. They aren't like your typical fall colors, but I did want to change out to more like cool tones, and this was perfect. I just loved like the color scheme, and I love that like basket ceramic vase that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, so I had to place that in my bedroom. And to tie that floral arrangement with the rest of my bedroom, I first added a accent pillow to my bed. It's a really pretty like turquoise color, so it just went perfectly with my bedding. And then I also added a throw blanket to the foot of my bed, and it is a really soft and cozy gray and white striped blanket. So that was perfect. I, of course, lit a candle because come on. Of course, I had to light a candle. I also lit one in the living room afterwards because cinnamon, spice, vanilla, and marshmallow fireside have both been calling my name. So I went ahead and lit both of those, and that was it, y'all. That was all that I did. I had so much fun decorating my house for the fall, and everything just feels so warm and cozy, and I'm excited for cooler weather and just to curl up on my sofa with my blankets and just really enjoy like all of this fun decor. Alright, y'all, so that wraps up today's fall decorate with me / fall home tour. I am seriously such a happy girl right now. Like, I'm so excited. My house just feels like fall. The colors are making me so happy. Like, y'all, like, I'm so happy my house finally has pumpkins around it and just all the beautiful fall colors, and it really does smell like fall in here with the candles burning and the potpourri. So yeah, it just really feels like fall, and I'm so excited that I was able to do this and of course share this with you guys. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love y'all. Happy fall, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.